Hey guys, Sebastian's out here. Oh, I don't have my thing on. Oh, he's over there by the bush. Hold on. Okay guys, well the light is on, but you can't see him still. He's right there. See him? He's walking away. Sebastian! Sebastian! Aww. You could kind of see him walking off in the distance here, right there. Oh, it just won't focus. I tried to zoom in and everything, y'all. That's him right there. He's walking off. We finally got him kind of on camera. Oh man, he was like right there too. Alright. Well, my other camera's not working, so I'll have to use this one tonight. And of course, I meant to put it on airplane mode first so I wouldn't get interrupted, but I forgot. Because I saw Sebastian now. I'm going to get Kitty. Kitty! Alright, y'all, hold on. Okay, guys, I had to get all my gear on. Sebastian has walked into the trees. Have I zoomed back out yet? Yeah, okay. Alright, hold on, y'all. I'm trying to get this thing opened up. I need to get out of my car. Put my keys away. Alright, so I haven't got my bags cleaned out yet, so I'm going to have to use the plastic grocery bags. Alright, so I think I saw some cans out here. I definitely saw some street sweeper bristles. So we'll at least get bristles if nothing else, right? Alright, let's see here. I don't even remember where I saw those things at. Okay. Huh. I know I saw one on my way to the car. Alright. Y'all let me know if you see them. Alright, that is not a can. That's a cigarette pack. Alright. Oh, there. Maybe that's one. Oh, paper clip. Take it. Alright. Chicks. Another cigarette pack over there. Same brand. Oh, there it is. It's hard to see. See it? Now you can see it with all that black oil stuff, huh? Get it straightened up on my stick there. Magnet stick. Alright, y'all. Let's hurry up because it's really hot out here. It's feeling like 100 degrees and it's dark outside. Alright. Oh, yeah. Maybe we got Sebastian. I don't know. Got a blurry version of him anyhow. He's such a skittish little kitty. And my little Mimi girl, she was trying to get a baby robin today. He was sitting up there by the window, and he didn't seem to care that there was a cat looking at it and trying to jump at it through the window. Okay. Okay, that's nothing there. Alright, we just cut through the flower bed. How about that? Alright. Ooh, lottery tickets. Heck yeah, 2 of them. I shall take them and put them into the second chance drawing. But they have not been scratched off yet, so I know they haven't been put in second chance drawing yet. Alright, I'm going to put those between the yellow and the white bag. Try to keep them from getting all iggy wet. Now it makes me want to look at the rest of this white paper trash over here. Alright, we'll look real quick and then we'll come back. First, street sweeper bristle. Boom. Alright. I think this is all just trash, like a cup and stuff. Yep, styrofoam cup. And the lid to the styrofoam cup and mellow yellow bottle. Okay, never mind. That's it. Okay, so yeah, the back end of my cart is full of cans. Because one of my viewers, if not more of y'all, want to see me separate my metals. And I just haven't gotten around to doing it because I'm not used to trying to record that portion of what I do. And so anyhow, I went to the scrapyard yesterday. I recorded it, and now I had it turned off like twice, so I got, ooh, looky there. So I got like 3 recordings that I put together, and now the app is saying it's not installed, and it is installed. So like a scrapping pallet man, Paul, I'm having issues here. Man, it sucks. Alright, I got those 4 cans it looks like here. Ooh, let me straighten that one out some. Ooh, beer. I don't want my car stinking like beer, although maybe it does. I don't know. Hopefully not. And a Coke. Ooh. Ooh. Look at all that liquid I'm putting down there. And a sun drop. That's really full. Nah, it'll go away as we know. Ooh, what's in there? Got something in there, y'all. Ooh. Looks like a cigarette. Hold on, y'all. We're gonna try to knock that out. Did it go out? Nope. No, I dropped it back in there. Jimmy's. You wanna come out? Okay. I got Jimmy here. Jimmy. There you go, Jimmy. Jump for freedom. Are you kidding me? I think he just went back in the trash bag. Is he out? Nope, there he is down there. Alright, he's cool. He's alive, don't trust me? There he is, right there. Jimmy. Yep, see, he's gone. Alright, so, and also I want the metal lid off of this Frappuccino. Do that. Get this can back out the trash. See, still got a cigarette butt in there. I'm gonna ask all the cigarette smokers to stop doing that, please. Please? Pretty please? Alright, it is not coming out. Come on. Come on. Yeah, it's like stuck right there. Alright. I don't think I got a bristle yet. Oh. Well, yeah, I do. It's on my thing, ain't it? Alright, losing it. Okay, let me brush all of these except for sun drop for now. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Doesn't that sound good? Crunch. Alright. Let's get the bristle. Hold on. We got us a poop tab over here that came off the sun drop. Hold on, I can't get away from my thing. I'll try to smack it on the ground here. Nope, that ain't work either. Alright, let's get the bristle off here because this is apparently the only way we're going to get this booger off. Grab a bristle. Bristle. Alright, now. Hold on. No, it's falling. No, you're not supposed to do that. Oh, the kickstand went back in. Hold on. Hold on, turn y'all off. Okay, let's do this. Don't know if I can get this without knocking the phone camera in there. Let's see here. Watch it fall out now. I got the bristle out. Come on, Becca. It was like, yeah, there we go, right there. Pluck that booger out. Ugh. Are you kidding me? It started to come out. Come on. There it went. Hopefully y'all saw that. Hopefully. Pull tab is in the can and crush it. I'm going to go ahead and pull these street sweeper stuff off. Drop my magnet while I'm at it. Why not? Oh yeah, I was going to try to see if there was any more. I'm sure I would have seen it. Any more lottery tickets in this stuff. So y'all, you see any lottery tickets in there? No. Either. There we go. Nope, no lottery tickets. That's okay. I got 2 though. Second chance drawing, baby. I have to purchase a ticket. I just find them. Alright, y'all. I got all the street sweeper bristles off my walking staff. We're going to walk around and try to see what else. Oh! Oh! Looky! Looky! What? Da, 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 da. Ooh. What is that? An ant. Go away. No, go. Alright, let's see what year this booger is. Is it on this side? Hold on. Is it on this side? Come on. Okay, flip it over. Quarter. We can't see it. Okay, let's pick it up and try. Boom. Oh, it must be on the other side. Okay, okay. What year are you? 2000? Yeah, it's a 2000, y'all. There you go. 2000. Heck yeah, man. I'll take it. It's in the pocket, y'all. In the pocket. Alright, so Callie looks like he's here tonight. You know what? When I told y'all before that he put out rat bait for that rat, he could have killed Sebastian. I'm glad he didn't, but he could have with that poison. Oh well, I'm just interested in getting rid of a big rat. What is that? Let's go check it out. It's probably just a stick. Okay, it's not a stick. I don't know what that is, so let's take a look at it. Ah, it means it used to have copper wire in there, I'm sure. But nope, no copper. Oh. I found some copper at Walmart the other day, but like I said, my camera wasn't working and it was on the ground. I just threw it in my car and then I forgot about it. When I came back out from Walmart, I sat down on it and didn't even know it because I completely forgot about it. Didn't think it landed in my seat. And when I got home, I sat down and was eating at the dinner table with my mom and stuff. And then I got up and stuff, and then you know how you wipe your hand on your butt? Well, I did that, and I thought I had a bug on my butt, and it was the wad of copper. I was like, ah! Alright, that is going in the trash. Ooh, we got us some cans. That I threw in there earlier had a giant cockroach on it. Ugh. So we got 2 cans here. Make sure those boogers are empty. And we shall crush them. It's super hot out here. Alright, let's see if there's anything else. We got the cigarette butts. They never got no money in them. No money. People don't do that nowadays, I guess. Oh, I smell garlic. There's probably some garlic stuff in here, but that's not good for the kitty, so we won't give them that. Ugh. Nothing else here. Nope. Okay, nothing. That's okay. I'll take what we got and stick it in the bags if I can get them apart. Christine, I love your idea of using a backpack. I probably do have 3. I got 2 that are completely full. 1, 2, wait a minute. I definitely have 3 backpacks. I got 2 in my car. 1 for magnet fishing, 1 for metal detecting, and 1 for just stuff when I moved out from my ex-husband that has stuff in it that I said I can't live without, so it's going in there and it's still in there. So I won't tell you what's in there. It's personal. Okay. That car is still there. Yep. Let's go this way. I'm trying to cover more areas that go across instead of just going across. Well, I'll come back and I'll find some stuff, but sometimes I miss stuff still. Metal stuff. Oof. Nothing. I thought there were some cans out here, but I don't see any yet. Nothing but just regular trash. toothpaste thing. Somebody probably stole that booger. Yeah. Ooh, we got a bag of trash here. It's got cans in it, y'all. Hold on. Ugh. Alright, so if I dig through this, that means I'm gonna have to take the rest of it up to the trash can, right? Right. One can in there. Crush that booger. Hold on. Let's look. There's a towel in there. What was a white towel? There's another can inside this bag. We'll take that out. Some kind of orange soda. That was a big can there. And then, let's see here. What is in there? Something for Sebastian, maybe? Yeah, French fries. I don't think Kitty will eat French fries. I could be wrong. Alright, what's in here? Was Chinese food, but there's no food left for the kitty. And then a Pepsi. And the towel. That's a good bar mop towel. I guess I'll keep that and I'll wash it and bleach it. Okay guys, I am back because I spotted something. I'm trying to get some bags together here that might could hold it. Maybe not. I don't even know what it is. We're going to go check it out together and we'll figure it out, right? Alright, let me get my bags here. Sorry about that. Alright, toothbrush bag. And my walking staff. Let's do this. Please grab everything. Oh, couldn't get out with my walking staff, so I washed myself. Alright, it's across the street. So let's go use the... Make sure, I know I just locked it, but I want to make sure I didn't accidentally unlock it. Okay. Oh, my belt's coming undone. Not coming undone, but it came undone out of the belt loop on it. The extra length. Alright, there's something big over here, so it may not fit in these bags here. But let's go check it out. Hold on, I'm going to get you in the correct hand here. Alright, I'm not taking the magnet stick with me, just the walking staff. Alright, I was hoping I wouldn't see nothing, but I did see something. And we're going to check it out together. It's on the other side of the road, y'all. I gotta watch out for these sidewalks. They'll trip you up in the heartbeat. Where'd it go? Oh! I want a kitty. That was not Sebastian. I'm glad he didn't get run over, though. That was a pretty kitty. Alright, y'all. Almost to the crossover light. Traffic is heavy right now. Well, not super heavy, but I mean busier than non-existing traffic. Oh, yeah, there was like a flag or something down here I forgot about. I don't necessarily want the flag, but because I think it was green. I did find a red handkerchief. Somebody's honking on their motorcycle. Alright, ooh, golly. Oh, it's gone already. The flag was right here. That's okay, I didn't want it anyhow, did I? Lots of hair again right there. Alright. Ooh, some UPS just went flying by. Alright, where's the thing at? Okay. Hey, got ourselves a meal while we're waiting. Alright, put that in the bag. Alright, are you ready? I pushed the right button. Should I? No, it's changing now. Okay. Y'all ready to race across the road? Should be. Oh, it didn't change. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna have to push the button again, I guess. Let's try this again. Alright. Take that. There it goes. 30 seconds, y'all. Let's go. Trying to make sure nobody's gonna turn into me. 18 seconds. 17. Ooh. There actually is stuff in there. Alright, we made it. Oh my, there's a lot of trash over here. Swisher sweet wrappers and all kinds of stuff. Looks like a can over there. I gotta wait for traffic, y'all. The stuff I want is right there. Maybe. I'm gonna get this can first. Alright, let's get it really quick. It's flattened. Some kind of can. Kind of hurry, y'all. Gosh. These bags are heavy. Okay, so in between the bags. So that's okay. I still got it. Let's see what this stuff is. A lot of broken glass, y'all. A lot of broken glass. Ooh, it's a fan, y'all. Heck yeah. Fan. That's metal, right? Yeah. I wish it would just come off of there. It's on there with a screw. Alright, let's see what I can grab here. Maybe I can get part of this in the bag and I'll have to carry the rest by hand. I didn't bring the wire cutters. Is that plastic? I think that is plastic. Got this piece of metal here. Here. I'm gonna take this fan and this pole here. I'm not taking all of it. Let's see here. Alright, this is awkward here. It's gonna fall. I just know it is. Let me try to get this fan in here. It probably won't fit. Hold on. Okay, I got it in there a second time. The piece of metal fell out. So yeah, it's gonna probably be hard. It's probably gonna keep falling out. Get my staff. Grab this a certain way. And we'll have to walk with it like so. Difficult. I just want to run across the road, man. My flathead screwdriver. I'm gonna use the thing again. Wait, there's another can. Hold on. Right here. Okay, got it. Alright. Yeah, I didn't take the cover. It was plastic. Alright, let me try this again. I'm trying to hold this here. And plastic sleeve. I'm probably gonna drop something again. Alright, let's push this button. Get back across the road here. Ooh. Not yet, y'all. Not yet. Sorry, y'all. The camera's all wicky-wacky. Okay, lights changing. Come on. There we go. 11. We made it. Alright. Back to the car. I'm not supposed to be picking up anything. My goodness, I'm so bad. I'm so bad. Alright. Okay. I'm about to drop this base. Slipping out my sweaty arm. But it's got a motor on here and stuff, so I'm going to get that off besides those metal poles I pray will stick to a magnet. And then hopefully there's some cast aluminum too on there. And the copper wire, of course, can't forget that. With the brass prongs on that wire. Okay. Now I'm wondering if I can get in a car. I got that space where I just got all that aluminum out. So I guess I'll put it there. Oh, goodness, what a chore. Alright, we are back at the car. Yo, and there's a bug on my car. Oh, it went away. Oh my gosh. Nope, it's a piece of metal, not glass. Alright, I can't even talk now, so out of breath. I'm gonna have to roll the window down to get this stuff in here easier. Let's go ahead and turn the car on. Crank this puppy up. Roll the window down. Heck yeah. Woo. Okay, we're gonna get the big piece in first. Dead like so. See that? Voila. And then this piece that I didn't really want the base, but look, it's got a screw on that puppy. I don't think, well, yeah, I guess it is normal. Alright. Stick that in there right there. Will work just fine, I think. And then the walking staff back in there. Alrighty then, no more stuff, y'all. Why did you guys ask me to stop and pick up that thing? Why? Oh, I know you didn't. It's just me. Alright, let's roll that window up. Okay. Oh my God, look at the traffic out there. Alright, let's see. Still 82 on one, 84 on this one. I'm trying to get my seatbelt on. Yeah, it's... Alright, that's it for this one. This one's a short video, 12 minutes, almost 13. Alright, bye.